everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Anvesha and I hope and pray that you guys are doing well. I have been away from YouTube for quite some time owing to the pandemic, but with the situations gradually getting better, thought of saying hi by dropping by this video. So today's video is a Smitten free sample review and a Smitten haul video. Before diving in, if you find this video helpful, please make sure to like, share and subscribe to this channel and ring that bell. Also, after watching and hearing all the pros and cons of Smitten, if you feel like downloading the app, please use my link that I have provided in the description box below, because if you sign up and join the app using my link, I'll get some referral bonus. Okay, now let's start with the unboxing. I've got my scissors here and the box right here. Before telling you guys what and all I ordered, I want to let you guys know that I have used the app quite a few times now before deciding to film this review. So much of Smitten all around, and yeah, I think I cracked good deals. After seeing the review, let me know what you guys feel. Okay, all of the things that I'm gonna show you in this box, this entire box came for rupees 199, because that is the service charge and delivery charge with GST that they charge for giving you the free sample products. When you sign up or join Smitten, you get 6 trial points. So with 1 trial point you can get 1 product, or some products are there which are bigger in quantity, which you get for 2 to 3 trial points. The pros are there are lots of new brands coming up every day, and before we spend our money on something really new, it's always good to try the product out and see for ourselves whether we really like the product or whether it's worth buying. So Smitten, the concept of Smitten is really good over here, and even you can shop from Smitten and get full-size products as well. Anytime Smitten comes up with these free utility pouches. So it's a mini pouch. The size is like that of the palm of my hand, slightly smaller than that I think, or the size of the palm of my hand. Yeah, that's a blue Smitten utility pouch. Every time, most of the time there is something free when you are buying even the 6 trial products for rupees 199. You get something extra free from Smitten most of the times. So for this time, I'll show you guys what are the products that I purchased. This haul has mostly food items. I'll open another box which I also got for rupees 199 so that you guys can have clarity. This one is a food trial for rupees 199. So I got a full-sized product, that is the Slurp Farm Millet Dosa Spinach Mix. It's very easy to make mix, healthy, and from Slurp Farm, as you guys can see, it generally retails for rupees 89. And then I got this rich fruit bar, MRP rupees 50, and that also is there in this 199 box. I also tried some A2 Vedic ghee, and yeah, so got this pack, 41 ml of this A2 Vedic ghee. I also got 2 honey and some sunflower oil, cold pressed sunflower oil, which is really good for cooking, healthy stuff. So I got 100 ml of this sunflower oil, cold pressed sunflower oil, and 2, okay, how much? 30 gram each honey. So for rupees 199, I got 100 ml of sunflower oil, 2 dabbas of honey, 1 dabba of ghee, and this chocolate bar, fruit bar, worth rupees 50. Millet dosa batter, ready to mix millet dosa batter worth rupees 89, and this pouch, 7 products for rupees 199. So 2 dabbas of honey, 1 dabba of oil, 1 dabba of ghee, 1 chocolate, and dosa batter, and this bag, all of it for rupees 199. But let me tell you what happened with my first order. In my first order, I ordered a Mamaearth, I believe, Mamaearth face mask trial pouch, and in my first order, it was one product was missing. So if you ask about the customer service, I had to write emails. The customer service people do not trust you very easily, but since I had recorded the unboxing and all of that, I could tell them that the product is missing, and they don't send you the missing, they didn't send me the missing product. They gave me rupees 30 instead. But that was only one time, and that was the first time. But this time I cracked such a good deal. 2 honeys, 1 ghee, 1 cooking oil, 1 pouch, 1 chocolate, and dosa batter, all of it for rupees 199. And the dosa batter is a full size pack. Okay, now that was a Smitten haul, Smitten food haul. Now let me show you guys what else I got in my makeup haul. Okay, while talking about Smitten, people, girls who love nail paints and want to try loads of different colors of nail paints, for them Smitten is heaven, because for 1 trial point you can get 5 ml to 8 ml of nail paint, which is what I got in my first order. I got a nail paint, this nude color, and a top coat. So this color, the one that I got from Smitten, is this one on my thumb, and yeah. So girls who love nail paints can get 6 different colors of nail paint for 199. I think that is so cool. So in my first order, I got these 2 nail paints for 1 trial point each. Then I got a nail paint remover, which I haven't tried yet. A face mask, strawberry face mask. So 4 trial points there. And a full size Slurp Millet pancake batter, chocolate pancake batter, which retails for rupees 149. I'm not sure if you guys can see. It retails for rupees 149, and I got all of these things for a total of 199. So if you keep an eye on the offers, also when you are shopping for 199, most of the times they tend to have the option to choose another free product, in which I got this pouch, which I have already started using. The color is really nice, the fabric is nice, it's a very nice pouch, handy. And when you're traveling, if you're planning to travel, you guys can get sunscreens, shampoos, soaps, body washes, everything. 6 trial points, and you get 6 products or less or more delivered for just rupees 199. With that being said, I also got a Plum sunscreen, 15 ml Plum sunscreen, and I actually have purchased a lot of times from Smitten, because food haul though you saw, and during this lockdown I'm cooking and eating a lot, so I got a lot of food items. So okay, now the trick, how can you make the most of out of your money? See, when you enter the home page of Smitten, you see a lot of products and the new trial products that are being added. But now suppose you are feeling like that you need to shop for food items only, or you want to check what your favorite category, food and beverages or makeup or skincare. You can go and search trials by category on the left hand side. If you shop and try free products as you need, not like you'll try just the trials that are available. If you just want to try nail paints, go and filter it out, and you can try nail paints and have different colors for each day. So for nail paint lovers, it's a heaven. Overall, if you are searching and shopping by category, and please be patient, this happened with me when I shopped. Just 2 days later, they were offering a free perfume along with your purchases. So hold on your horses, never buy when you don't see anything coming for free. because with Smitten I have noticed every 7 days they're having something or the other coming up absolutely free with your order for ₹199. So why not grab that as well? Few things about the trials that I had. If you see, I've ordered the ghee twice. Once from my account and once from my family's account. So yeah, I've tried this one. The ghee smells so good. It's so original. It's like pure organic, and the taste says it all. It's so good. The ghee and the honey are so good. These bars are really tasty if you guys are looking for something healthy to snack upon. And yeah, I've been happy with Smitten. In my first order there was a missing product, and I had to write a couple or more mails to the customer care because they don't have a customer care on call. So you have to follow up to get your problem sorted, and the customer care is skeptical. But the best part is these issues do not come up generally with Smitten, because yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I have ordered from them 6 times, and except for the first time, I never faced an issue. With that being said, please do remember that I have provided my referral code in the description down below with the link, with Smitten link. If you guys download Smitten app using that link, I'll get some referral bonus and I'll be very happy with it. So if you guys like this video and like the haul, like, share and subscribe to this channel and to download Smitten, and let me know how was your experience. Okay, if you're going for trial products, 6 or 7 trial products for ₹199, if you're paying it online you pay $199, but if you're going for COD, I believe there is ₹50 extra charge, COD charges. Take care of yourselves and your family. And yeah, just a random video after a long time. Loads of love and good wishes. Until next time, bye bye.